Have you seen this plant before, or do you know its name? And do you know we can grow this plant in water and in bare soil as well? I'm talking about this wild yet very beautiful plant, horsetail reed. Let's talk about it in details.
Hi, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening.
This plant is horsetail reed, which is also called as water bamboo. Its scientific name is equisetum and it's commonly known by various names such as joint grass and snake grass. But surprisingly, unlike its name, it doesn't belong to any of them, bamboo family or grass family. It thrives in humidity and loves wet conditions, and you can grow them in water as an aquatic plant as well as in bare soil, but you need to water it daily because it loves lots and lots of moisture. It's a non-flowering evergreen perennial which keeps on growing lush green round the year, and it grows up to 2 to 6 feet. It grows really fast and requires zero maintenance. You can grow this plant in full sunlight to partial shade as well. It's a weed which is commonly found in and around ponds, lakes and marshy area, but it's grown as an ornamental plant by gardeners for its beautiful lush green stems. However, it is toxic to grazing animals. When I grow this plant in water, I put few water lettuce plants in it, which helps in keeping the water clear and doesn't allow algae growth. It has hollow vertical green stems with joints similar to bamboo. Let me show you. Growing this plant by its root division method is the easiest way to propagate it. However, you can simply take the cuttings and insert it into wet soil and they'll grow several new shoots from its joints, like this. However, when grown from root division method, they produce several new shoots from the roots horizontally. This plant doesn't need any fertilizer. They just need lots of moisture to thrive. So just get a plant. I've shared few links you can buy online and add it to your garden. That's all for today, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.